See if I can make this a quick one. So you can see the current halogen bulbs have this hue. You can see the contrast between the arcing lights and the dipped beams. I want to change that. So I've gone online and bought some LED bulbs, but they have a bit colder light, shall we say. I've already done a video on this if you don't know how it's done. Oh no, that was a close one. Always test before putting in because LEDs have polarity. The old ones are looking a bit shabby. There. So what do you think? Do you think this is worthwhile, or am I being a bit tasteless? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and I bid you farewell.